Hey everyone, this is Dan Caruso, Sports Director here at Agency Access. Today we're going to go through a quick video of how to change your social icons in an email promotion. You can also check out our articles in our Help Center for more information at help.agencyaccess.com. Once you're logged into your account, you're going to go ahead and go to the email section. So you can get to the email by using this link here. You can also use the navigation bar on your left-hand side and go to the envelope and get into the email section there. Now, once you're in your email section, you're going to want to choose the draft that you're working on. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this spring email promo. We're going to go ahead and click the three-dot menu option and click Edit. Okay, so now once your draft is loaded, you're going to go ahead and find your module that has your social icons in it. So most places you're going to find it will be the header or the footer. So once you find the icons you want to change, the first thing you need to do is download your social icons that you want. So we do not offer any sort of library at this time as far as all the available social icons, but you can easily just do a Google search like I did and download some social icons to your desktop. So with the social icons, you have a couple different options. When you click on them, you're going to be able to replace the image, to crop the image, to add a link, to duplicate it, or go ahead and delete one. So I'm actually going to go ahead and delete one because I only want 3 for this module. So we're going to go ahead and delete this. And now we come here. So in order to replace these, when you click on the link, click Replace Image. I'm going to go ahead and grab mine directly from my desktop. So although I'm replacing it with a Facebook one, it's going to be a different icon, so I do want to still replace it. So I'm going to choose my Facebook icon from my desktop. I'm going to go ahead and do no crop and finish insert. Okay, so now you can see I went ahead and replaced it with the new one. I'll do the same for the other two. So this is going to be Twitter. Go no crop, finish and insert. And I'm going to replace this last Vimeo one with an Instagram. Okay, so as you can see, all 3 icons have been changed. Now you would just go in and finish by adding your links to your pages, hitting the check mark, and then once that's it, you're done. So now you've replaced them here. If you wanted to, you can now scroll down and do the same thing in your footer, and you would be all set to go. Okay, so that's it for today, everyone. As mentioned earlier, should you have any further questions regarding this topic, please feel free to check out our Help Center at help.agencyaccess.com.